you've slept on the hard ground one too many times, you're going to want to see this. It's a 3-inch memory foam mattress. It's got a lining on the back that's got nice gripping material so it doesn't slide around. Perfect for sleeping on the hard ground, gazing up at the stars, camping in the car, or even as a quick guest bed for that unexpected house guest. It's thick enough at 3 inches. You could side sleep on it and be comfortable. I've slept on it for a night, woke up feeling pretty darn good. Definitely way better than waking up on a half-inflated air mattress. This entire cover here comes off, zips off, and is completely washable. Comes with this little pillow. Not much, but it'll do in a pinch. And the entire thing rolls up when you're done with it and fixed back into a carry bag. It's got backpack shoulder straps on it. This is the single size. It's roughly 75 by 30. Perfect for an oversized cot or to fit in the back of an SUV, and big enough to fit a full-size human man like myself. So if you're tired of sleeping on the hard ground or a terrible air mattress, check this thing out.